Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli and FSD. If you're new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all of my supporters. Support me on Patreon. If you are in the market to buy a Tesla car, please use my referral code. And this video, as always, is sponsored by EV Base, which just sent me a beautiful Tesla Model Y L spoiler, okay? The spoiler that they use on the long range and the 6-seater in China. I just installed it. I'm gonna attach my full video at the end of this video. You're gonna love it. It's really great. You can use my code. Put my code name TEI. Get 26%. It's Black Friday. You're gonna love it. It's at the end of the video. You're gonna love it. Today I'm gonna take you to China. I'm talking about two subjects. First of all, the Model Y in China in all versions, some more and some less, is sold out for the rest of the year, which is about 6 weeks left. Sold out. The only way you can get a Tesla Model Y in China is if you go to inventory, and hopefully you're going to find something that you like. But other than that, you're not going to find. Now, I also want to talk about this spectacular, exaggerated, hallucinating range that the CLTC, that's the Chinese standard for range, is claiming. And we have a very simple solution. So let's go right away to the website in China. This is the Tesla Model Y L. Okay, they don't have it in America. They don't have it anywhere else other than China. And there are more than 100,000 pre-orders. And if you want this model in China, you're going to wait between 4 to 8 weeks. So let me take you to the design studio. And the Chinese are so lucky. There are 4 versions of Tesla Model Y. The rear-wheel drive is 593 kilometers. I'm going to give you the miles in a minute. 821 kilometers, which is spectacularly not true. The long-range rear-wheel drive. And you got the 750 kilometers long-range all-wheel drive, and my favorite, the Model Y Longs, the 6-seater, 751 miles. So as you can see right here, this is the long one. This is the one that has a lot of demand. I just showed you 4 to 8 weeks. Okay, but if you go to the 2 middle ones, the long-range all-wheel drive and the long-range rear-wheel drive, 4 to 13 weeks. That means you're not getting it this year. The rear-wheel drive base model, as we say, that 4 to 8 weeks, which also most likely you're not going to get it this year. Now here, look what they say. If you wish to guarantee delivery by the end of 2025, please purchase vehicles currently in stock. Okay, that's the inventory. Now let me say a word or two about the CLTC, and I'm going to say something also about the WLTP and the EPA, the American standard. So as you can see, here is 821 kilometers. If you go to the calculator, you do simple math, 821 times 0.70, because I say it's 30% less, so it's 70%. Here's what you get, 574 miles, 0.7. Now, if you look up at it in miles, you just time it by 1.6, which is 1,600 meters per mile, and you get, no, I take it back. What did I say? Exactly the opposite. that would be nice, 900 miles car. 574.7, my bad, divided by 1.6, moron, by 1.6, and you're getting 300, almost 360 miles, which is fantastic. Now the WLTP, you do the same thing. So let's say you get a car, the Model 3 now in Europe, it's 720 kilometers. Okay, so I would do this. The first thing I would do is time it by this time 80%. So it's less generous than the CLTC, and you get 576 kilometers. And you divide that by 1.6, and you'll get 360 miles, which is a fantastic range. So why is that? Now, first of all, the EPA is the most accurate, because the EPA tests on highway, tests in the city, weather, up and down. It's a real world test. Now, there's a big caveat. Just stay with me. Huge caveat to what I just said. So the EPA is the most accurate of them all when it comes to all electric cars and all cars, but I'm going to focus on the Tesla Model Y because the caveat is coming. Just wait. The WLTP, like I said, 20% less. Okay, because there it's not a laboratory condition, but it's much less accurate than what we have, because the way they test it they test probably in a loop. You know, it's like a car racing loop. They just drive around and see what it gives them. That's basically it. The Chinese, it's a combination of smoking weed or worse and hallucination or both. I don't know what they're talking about. It's probably only city driving, which is 30, 40 miles an hour, and you know, stop and go, whatever it is, going straight with the wind behind you, or they're just making stuff up for people to be enticed to buy. I believe anything about the Chinese, anything bad. Okay, they can manipulate numbers. These are not real numbers. These are stupid. Okay, stupid numbers. Okay, still, here's the caveat. Whether you calculate it by doing the math equation or you just follow the EPA, which I always recommend, is that the batteries, the aerodynamic and the design of the newest Model 3 and Model Y is so efficient. Now, how do I know? I have a Model Y a Juniper, and I get 93 to almost 100% efficiency in one drive. I'll give you the numbers, easiest to know it this way. I drove 100 miles, okay, 100 miles, and I consumed less battery for that. Let's say I needed 90 miles to drive, 90 miles of range to drive 100 miles. You know, it's like 110% almost. They are so efficient. There is a battery, the LG M5 is now used in Model Ys in Berlin. Again, they are so good. The thermal management is so much better than it used to be a few years ago. So it used to be, if you got a Tesla Model 3, let's say 310 miles, I remember my first one, in real world it was much less because they weren't so efficient. Now, not only the battery, not only the design, the materials, the double windows, the everything, that's so tight and it's so efficient that you get close to 100%. You don't get it in gasoline cars. And I did a drive to Rhode Island with my wife a few weeks ago on Mad Max mode. I was testing Mad Max. The car was flying 130 kilometers an hour, like 80 miles, 85 miles an hour, and I got like 93% efficiency. It's freaking amazing, these Model Ys. So that's the caveat. It is so good that EPA used to be, you know, less than what you think. Unless you really drove speed limit, you got it. None anymore. None anymore. They're very, very efficient. Teslas are amazing. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please watch my video about this amazing Tesla Model Y L spoiler that I just installed in my car. Hey guys, Moshe the Electric Israeli is here, and today I'm in my garage with my 2026 Tesla Model Y launch model. I love it. And today I'm going to install a spoiler. But this is a very, very special and to me very beautiful spoiler. As you know, there is a Tesla Model Y Long in China only. That's the 6-seater, and it has a very distinct spoiler, which I received from EV Base, my sponsor. And I'm going to show you a quick install of it. It's really, really easy, and it's really, really nice. It comes with this little page here with the QR code. You can, scan it and see how to install it, the instruction, or you can just follow my video. You will need a tape measure, a regular a cloth. No, not this is like the fiber cloth, a regular dish towel, okay, and of course the alcohol that you're going to clean the surface. And it comes with. Actually, it does not come with the box cutter. You need the box cutter to cut the box around. It comes with this masking tape, and then it comes with this extra glue adhesive to the back. It comes like with 2 boxes, and then you have to apply it before you start, and obviously the box and all that. So because it was a little misty outside, the first thing I did is clean the surface really, really good. Regular dish towel will do. Really, really good. Make sure nothing is wet. Okay, you do that. After that, you can take any kind of alcohol and rub it on the surface. It's good to take away any particles that may be around. You want this surface really, really smooth. Okay, it can be even a Windex, it doesn't matter. Anything over alcohol, you know, and you want this surface like as you took this car out of the factory. Has to be really, really clean, no schmutz on it, no nothing, okay? Then, just to be extra cautious, I take this Care Touch, the cleaning wiper, okay? It's an actual alcohol. This is good to clean your computer screen, your glasses, your phone surface, and all that, whatever you want. It's wet. I rub it all around, make sure everything is clean, everything is good. You know, give it a second, it will dry. And while it's doing that, while the alcohol is drying, obviously you use the box cutter. The whole thing comes in this box. I already opened it for you, but this is a great tool, the box cutter. And inside, you're gonna find the this plastic. You're gonna find the spoiler, beautiful spoiler. Okay, comes in, and it's gonna fit right here. Now, this is here how beautiful it is. Absolutely beautiful. Now, it just sits here. Nothing happened yet. And I took a tape measure that has inches and centimeters. You can buy it in any hardware store. And I'm going to measure from this corner to the edge. So just by looking, it's exactly 5 inches. Okay, it's exactly 5 inches, which is a little less than 13 centimeters. And make sure to see what's the distance here. So here, it is 8 inches, okay, 8 inches. So 5 to 8, so 3 inches difference. So I'm going to move it to 6.5 inches, 6.5 inches, about 16.5 centimeters, 6.5 inches. Okay, perfect. A little bit to the right, so it's nice and center. Okay, so you measure from this. So now what do? Now that tape come in handy. So you take this masking tape. It's like a painter's tape, just smaller, and you put right here. So you mark it. You put it right on the side, so you know where is your border. I put it from both sides just to make sure. Why not? We're going to use this tape later on, and you'll see how. Now, some spoilers come with the adhesive tape already installed. Now look, you see this did not come. It came with an extra, it gave me 2 boxes, I don't know why. So what I did is I used one of them, and I already installed the tape, and I already, let me show you, already took a little strip out. So I cut it, I did half and half. I cut it in half, and this is how I am going to do it. All right, so it's like already made. You see this? Okay. Okay. So you pull from each side. Okay, so it sticks out. Now you can go to either direction. That's why I cut the tape, the glue here on half. One strip, one half, one strip, another. So you go from each side. Now those marks, those blue marks, become very, very handy. So you put it in. You make sure. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. And you start pulling and pushing, okay? And gluing. Okay, you take it out and you glue, and you take it out, and it's ready on one side, nice and strong. You pull, okay, and you force it in. And then you pull, and you pull, and then you force it in, and it's nice and strong. See, it's already nice and strong. You really push it. Now, you're not done. By no means you are done. None whatsoever. So now you take this tape, and don't be shy. Don't be shy. You cut, and you glue to the bottom. Okay? Don't be shy, you cut and you glue. And you're going to keep it like so. Some say 24 hours, some say 48 hours, whatever you want. You can drive with it, there's no problem. It's not like you're not going to drive your car for 48 hours. You are. But you leave it in so it keeps everything intact. Okay? And in 24 hours, 48 hours, you're going to put it in. As you can see, 6 tapes. It's really strong already. Now, this is, first of all, it's really beautiful. Second of all, it is good for aerodynamic. You make sure that the tape is strong, it's in, make sure everything is good. Should be like that. You can drive like this for 24, 48 hours, and then you can take it out, and the spoiler will be in. Let me show you close up. Let me show you close up. Here we go. 6 tapes. Okay. Here we go. You have the markers on the side. Here we go. 48 hours. You have a beautiful spoiler. Okay, guys. Now, EVBase is my sponsor. So I put you a link for this spoiler and many of their items. They have a Black Friday special, 26% off if you use my code TEI, the Electric Israeli. So I'll put you the link. Use my code. Buy this or any other product before the Black Friday. You get 26% off.